Hey y'all, I'm Amanda from Mindy's Boutique, and I'm going to be showing you how I did this eye look using the Rebel Raven Brown Eye Mini Palette. These palettes are so cool because these colors very much complement a brown eye color, which is awesome. I do have hazel eyes, but you can use this on any eye color. If you like the colors, just go for it. But I'm going to show you how I did this look today. First, I'm going to grab a fluffy brush and I'm going to dip into this flash and fully coat my brush, tap off any excess, and I'm going to start by just placing this on the outer corner and just going in circles, making the shape that I like. Dipping back into that flash, tapping off the excess, and just making sure that shape is how I want it, and just putting that all over my lid. I will then dip into the baller very lightly with the tip of my brush, tap off any excess, and I will lightly pull this up on the outer corner of my eye, and then just pull it towards the center. So cute. And as you can see, I got it up a little bit. You can use the cuties, or I just take my finger and just blend it in even more. But you can just take this and then continue to pull that down to the crease, covering the whole eye and making sure that you have that shape that you're wanting. And then after this, I'm gonna dip back into the baller and coat my brush some more to tap off the excess and go directly on that inner crease and just go in little circles all over the crease and down on that outer corner. And lightly, I will take my brush and go in windshield wiper movements and blend that in. So good. This color is amazing. I love how good these blend out too. So perfect. There we go. I will then take a flat tip brush and dip into this shiner color here and just coat my brush. And I'm gonna lightly tap off any excess, and I'm gonna place this right on that inner corner. Just coating the inner corner with this shiner color and lightly bringing it up onto the lid. And then I will continue this and just go lightly right on my lash line on the bottom. And then I'm gonna take back that fluffy brush and just go on the other side of my eye with the excess color from that. And then I'm gonna take my finger and I'm gonna lightly dip into this bougie here. And I'm gonna take my finger and I'm just gonna tap all over my eye, giving a light shimmer all over. This color is beautiful and I love the way it looks on the eye, especially blended with these other colors. So pretty. Let me plop on my other lash and I'll show you the final look. This is the final eye look for the Brown Eye Mini Palette. Again, you can get the palettes if you just like the colors in them, but these colors will complement a brown eye color, and it is just so beautiful. And there are so many looks that you can create from this palette. This is just one of them. Have a great day.